Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. How to make money on Upwork is freelancer 0 to 100k part dollars part time. I would have started our freelancers but I impossible to find job with Upwork. I can easily remember how to after I have read posted like that Facebook group and receive dependent message similar to that and really getting harder and source jobs with that much completed our years. But that does meaning impossible. I have managed to almost USD 100k dollar working part time Upwork and I did have much experience others how did that's in the following blog post I shared most improvement Upwork tips. My way to USD 100k work Upwork. Its steady capture years pass by. Looking I jobs online was Google link around it and every launched Upwork I was vacant and Upwork can really see using Upwork to because freelancers unit have near hearts target more give try. So create profile direct that's when to content warning translate performing jobs. I was working as project manager years before that I did much professional experience in this area but son that's what I enjoy doing. I target I should go free it but not singing reviews my profile I know I had start small applied for 10 jobs freelancer jobs assistant and preparing USD at just once two page translate so brand but tools many more than 3 hours finishing for at USD many Upwork fees as course short the time payment fees is possible not it translate to many cost grammars hours I did with the best job also made some suggestion to improve content client very happy with my work and gave a great 5-star reviews that happened. I did few other small later job make money building a preparing translation SEO optimization every plan is trust engage after that's I supported applying for small gigs long average run that pay bills. I only applied jobs offering needed organic freelancer. I had better payment Once client gave the corporate and smart content writing job. See, I make skill matching requirement. Time this constant super always designation editor future is academic research search website is welcome bonus up $600. Send the content writing jobs was only top 10 and hours weekly and also space profitable but also went visited assistant jobs after well I found it interview was looking for someone with Germanic skill. I appealed engaged groups and 5 applicants got some task to end his personal weight did best needed as he went to above beyond any lucky was once who Grecian I work him regular about years. Defend project rover I still receive interrogation client on means don't have applied jobs anyone's access sound fun profitable and Upwork again. Unit today is most USD 1k dollars. Upwork tips how to make money. Now approach wonderful. I force and one skills. I know I applied to different kit for jobs you are successful with I but jobs translation content written proficiency string and grammar language skill. If you don't have I word profit box content niche escape the other jobs something and have received to provide that's yes magic before job offering but in long run you are perfect and paying specialized. Second two step professional profile. Your profile has been pointed make source using comment yet especially title that's is easy found. Will the client be problem have content client benefit your experience that's I do best. Yes, also get uploaded videos and make money. I never uploaded a video simply basic Upwork how to start remove remote work race US YouTube search 3 start small mall. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission updates.